Hi folks, my name is Mitch. Just doing another cooking video today. Today I'm going to be making some soy sauce steamed fish. This is not to be confused with a video that I did not too long ago called soy sauce glazed salmon. This is completely different because this is going to be steamed. This recipe is a little bit modified. I've taken this recipe from a channel called Sauce and Pans. I'll link the video in the description below. And without further ado, let's get started on the sauce. It's just a little bit modified. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of water. The water looks a little oily just because there's just a little bit of residue from the sesame oil, but that's no big deal. So we're going to go add to the water. We are adding 1.5 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce instead of the light soy sauce. So we're skipping out on the sugar altogether. And from what I understand, these measurements, they don't have to be completely accurate. This kind of ballpark is perfectly fine. And then we are going to go with a tablespoon of oyster, which is over here. Right. Okay, and a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Okay. And now I'll be mixing this up. So today's fish, I'm going to be using swai right here, and it's 2 fillets purchased from the market that's close by. And what I'm going to be doing is putting some julienne ginger right on top of the fish itself. Okay. And what I'll also be doing is adding some shallots. It's kind of sprinkled around here and there. Okay. And then adding the soy sauce directly to the fish itself. You can pour it directly on top if you would like, but I'm sticking to what the person did in the video, which was pouring it on the sides. Okay, now I'm going to be adding this to the steamer. I'm going to steam this for about 8 to 10 minutes or so, and I'll just check out in about 10 minutes to see where it's at. It's not too thick, and then I will see you then. So I am back, and I'm going to be preparing a little bit of the oil that's going to be poured right over the fish itself. I have a tablespoon of sesame oil with 1 smashed clove of garlic, and I'm just going to be heating this up on a very low, gentle heat so I can pour right up the pour it right over the fish and everything. Had to improvise a little bit in terms of the steamer just because my hand was being burned left and right here. So here's the fish. It's done cooking and steaming. And now I'm going to be adding some green onion right on top of this. And I'm going to be pouring the sesame oil in it. So I have about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and it was pretty much cooking with a smashed clove of garlic to give it a more enhanced taste. And I'm just going to be pouring it right on top. And there you go. Soy sauce steamed fish. I'm going to plate it up, and well, I'm going to eat this with some rice and kind of show you the end result. See how it goes. Alright, so Evelyn is going to be the official taste tester here. And this is the first time I ever made soy sauce steamed fish. And what do you think?
It's very, very good.
How's the flavor?
Very good. It's not too salty at all. It looks like it might be salty because it's so dark, but it's not at all. It's perfect.
Worked out pretty well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, alright. Thank you again for your opinion. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. Until next time.